Hi everyone, my name is Falk and I'm a postdoctoral research fellow at the National Cheng University in Tainan. I'm originally from Germany and I completed my PhD degree in 2020 at the University of Bath in the United Kingdom. I joined the Department of Environmental Engineering here in Tainan in 2021 and I'm now working with Professor Xin Lin in the Resource and Energy Efficiency Lab. We're working on topics such as renewable energy, including solar energy, biomass energy, and we're also looking at the circular economy of plastics, where we try to reduce packaging waste, and we are working on topics about the future transportation to make it more sustainable. My research can be divided into two main areas. I'm looking at monitoring of marine litter, and I'm also investigating the life cycle of plastics and marine litter. In the monitoring area, this can be divided into larger plastics and smaller plastics. Within the larger plastics, I'm working with Indigo Waters, and we are working together with citizen scientists to, for example, evaluate beach litter and coastal debris. So we go to the beach and assess where are hotspot areas and what type of marine litter is at the beach. But we also do evaluate riverbanks, where we take bicycles, for example, and evaluate there where major hotspots occur. This information is very important so that we can inform the government where cleanups should take place and which initiatives are needed to stop this type of waste. For microplastics, I'm working with a professor from the National Taiwan University, and we are focusing on rivers. Rivers are very important sources of fresh water, so it's really important to understand where pollution of our freshwater systems occur. So we go to rivers, we employ our manta net, we take samples, then we take back the samples to the laboratory and pre-treat them and analyze how many plastics are there under a microscope. And I'm also working in a bigger group to rank different river systems in Asia. The second part of my research is life cycle assessment, and this can also be divided into two areas. So first, material flow analysis. So fishing gear, we discovered it's a really big problem here. So I'm working with researchers from Norway and the UK to evaluate the whole system of fishing gear. So where do fishing gear, how much fishing gear is produced annually, where does it go, when does it leak to the environment, and how can we stop it. I'm using life cycle assessment to compare different options of what can we do after we pick up and clean up the marine litter. So there are different types, including fishing gear, EPS, and systems and novel technologies, and all of you will have heard of some of those techniques, and we are checking, are they really technically feasible and are they environmentally friendly, and compare those systems. So in the future, I hope to also investigate some recycling pathways for plastic buoys here in Taiwan. If any of those topics that I've just talked to you is interesting, please reach out. I'm always happy to collaborate with you, and this would be amazing if we could do some research together. I would like to use this opportunity to thank especially the IEE lab and the university here in Tainan, because they've provided me with an amazing support system in this last 6 months, and I just want to say thank you for all the nice activities and support they've provided.